Welcome to this week's Time Lapse Painting with a special musical collaboration.
Hi everybody, I'm Denis Bouvier. I'm very proud to be doing my very first musical collaboration with Canadian singer-songwriter Jordan Paul. You can find his tracks on all the major music platforms. Jordan is such a talented musician, and it's such an opportunity to be working with him. The song today is called Rain, and my painting is about a woman going through a very difficult time in her life. Everything seems cold, wet, and dark. She's hurting really bad and has decided she wants to make a change. Now, we all know how difficult change can be. I could go on about Jordan's melodies, but I'd really like to let this song speak for itself. Enjoy.
I've got a secret, I think that I'll keep it all to myself. I'll tell no one else. I've been living in fiction, my own self-infliction keeps weighing me down. I fear I might drown in the rain, 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 rain. I need to get high. I can't sleep at night, confined in my head. Watch the world go on by through the rain, 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 rain. Rain, 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 rain. The rain would leave you diseased and denied. If I could only warn you, but I'm pent up inside from the rain, 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 rain,
That song moves me, and I can't help but think how connected we all are. I'm getting ready to do another couple paintings for our collaboration, and I'm really excited to share them with you. If you're enjoying my channel, don't forget to share it and subscribe. I'm the artist Denis Bouvier. See you next week.
I've got a secret.